Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to jack up the rear of my 2013 Subaru BRZ. Since this is a rear wheel drive car and we're jacking it up in the rear, is to chock the front wheel. So the safest thing to do is to chock both the front and the back of the front wheel so that you have both areas covered regardless of whether you're on an incline or a decline. So put one here and then put one back here. That way your wheel is chalked on both sides, and that will prevent it from rolling. And this is your safest option, so make sure you put one in the front and one in the back. All right, so now that we've got this properly chalked, let's go jack up the back. We've got the jack, we've got a wood block on it, and so we're gonna slide it underneath the rear differential. Take your jack stands and you're going to mount them on these pinch points right here where these two indentions are. So just like that, and then we'll lower the jack to sit right on top of that. Put the other one on this side. And I'm just making sure when I raise it straight up that the pinch point will be right in the bottom of the groove of the jack stand. Okay. Now let's lower the jack slowly. Okay. Now, always give it a little bump. Make sure it's not moving. It's nice and secure. So that's how you jack up the rear end of a 2013 BRZ. Thanks for watching.